Assalamualaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some rules regarding verb. So let's start. Basically, first of all, we're going to talk about the causative verb. A causative verb, as the name implies, indicates that a person, place, or a thing is causing an action or an event to happen. For example, have, get, make, let, keep, help are some of the causative verbs. For example, the majority of the causative verbs are followed by infinitives. For example, to plus first form of the verb is a causative in a causative structure. Some of the most common of these are allow, permit, enable, cause, lead, force, require, motivate, convince, and get. Then there is have. Rather than meaning to possess, have as a causative verb basically means to compel, to persuade, to instruct, or to cause someone do something. For example, I will have my kids clean the house. यहाँ पर जो have plus object plus third form of the verb है ना, they're basically used to indicate when you are having something done to someone or something. Okay? इसकी example भी देख लेते हैं. I'll have the house painted this week. She had the car cleaned twice. Then there is subjunctive. Subjunctive mode is basically used to express a wish or demand or a suggestion. ठीक है, अब subjunctive mode की थोड़ी सी details देख लेते हैं. Following the verbs that are used with the verb that often attract the subjunctive mode. To ask that, to command that, to demand that, to insist that, to order that, to recommend that, to suggest that, or to wish that. And then there are examples. I propose that Lee be asked to play the guitar. ठीक है? अब जो subjunctive form के अंदर आप जो normal form होती है ना, होती है is, are और am. लेकिन जो subjective form होती है ना, वो अपने साथ usually जो है ना वो be होती है. इसी तरह normal form, for example, I am available, तो subjunctive form होगी I demanded that I be available. इसी तरह normal form है you are truthful, तो और लेकिन इसकी subjunctive form होगी I ask that you be truthful. इसी तरह नॉर्मल फॉर्म अगर हैज है तो उसकी सब्जंक्टिव फॉर्म यूजुअली हैव होती है. नॉर्मल फॉर एग्जांपल शी हैज अ चांस, तो सब्जंक्टिव फॉर्म होगी शी डिमांडेड शी हैव अ चांस. देन नॉर्मल फॉर्म आपकी प्रिपेयर्स है तो सब्जंक्टिव प्रिपेयर होगी. नॉर्मल स्लिंग्स है तो सब्जंक्टिव जो है वो स्लिंग होगी. नॉर्मल जो है वो वर्क्स है तो सब्जंक्टिव जो है वो होगी. इसी तरह नॉर्मल फॉर्म है शी मेक्स अ टी, तो सब्जंक्टिव फॉर्म होगी आई प्रपोज शी मेक अ. Then there are subjunctive adjectives. The following adjectives, when used with the word that, often attract the subjunctive mode. For example, crucial, essential, important, imperative, and necessary. It is essential that he use the time responsibly and timely. It's high time plus past subjunctive expresses that something should be done and that is already a bit late. Example includes, it's high time you go to bed. You will have to get up early tomorrow. ये गलत है, ठीक है. इसके साथ आपको past subjunctive express करना है, तो इसका correct version है it's high time you went to bed. You will have to get up early tomorrow. या फिर it's high time I buy a new pair of jeans गलत है, इसका correct version होगा it's high time I bought a new pair of jeans. Further examples. I suggest you did a bit of cooperating. तो इसके अंदर जो है ये गलत है, तो इसका करेक्ट वर्जन होगा I suggest you do a bit of cooperating. इसी तरह are you suggesting you must play a trick on clay, तो इधर must नहीं आना चाहिए. जब आप suggest कर रहे हैं तो आप इसको कहेंगे are you suggesting we play a trick on clay. इसी तरह he suggested that it sits in the upland town of Ankara. He suggested that it should, ठीक है, suggested के साथ should आता है, should sit in the upland town of Ankara. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.